Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Put on safety goggles and gloves because glass and paint chips are hazards. Remove any interior trim or paint sealing the lock first. Scoring with a utility knife prevents splintering. Once exposed, back out one screw enough to test movement. This tells you if the lock is seized or just misaligned. Make sure to support the sash with a wedge, otherwise the window can tilt when screws come free. You want controlled access before full removal begins. Now continue by fully removing the visible screws, alternating sides to relieve tension and avoid warping. If screws won't budge, apply penetrating oil, wait 5 to 10 minutes, then use a firm driver, avoid stripping heads. Once the lock body lifts free, examine the mechanism for broken cams, missing springs, or corroded pins because you'll decide between repair versus replacement. Make sure to photograph the assembly for reassembly reference and keep small parts in a labeled container so nothing goes missing. Finish by installing the replacement or cleaned lock, aligning the cam and latch so they meet the strike without forcing. You want smooth operation through the full travel. Once seated, tighten screws incrementally, checking that the sash remains square. After function is confirmed, reapply sealant or paint to protect against moisture. If the lock still binds, check one key item: sash alignment. Settle the window in its frame and shim the sill if needed, because alignment issues mimic lock failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.